Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to paint a gradient using any colors. That's right, any colors. Now in this video I'm using orange and blue just to show you how to blend like two significantly different colors. So I'm starting out with 4 different shades of each color as you can see, and I'm using oil paint to do this, so I also have some linseed oil. And so what you're gonna do is first mix up 4 different shades of each color. As you can see on the orange side of things, I have an extra little brown. That's just to make my darker colors darker. And I also used white in this to make my lighter colors lighter. So you're gonna start by mixing all 4 of your colors. Once you do that, you're gonna start with your darkest color. So I started with my darkest blue at the top, and I went and used the brush horizontally to do my brush strokes, and then I also took the brush and did brush strokes vertically, and this will help blend out each color. So once you do that with your first color, you're going to repeat those steps for each color you do. And as you add more colors, you're going to make horizontal and vertical strokes between each of the colors to blend them together. So now I'm doing the same process with my orange colors. So as you can see, I go horizontal first and then vertical, and you can even make like circular motions to further blend those 2 colors out. And like I said earlier, you want to work from your darkest color to your lightest colors, because once you get to your lightest orange and blue, in this case, you're going to start to blend those two together. So you want it to be your lightest colors, because then the white will make it an easier blend than if you were to use like straight up orange and straight up blue. It wouldn't really blend well, it would turn into a brown. So here I am adding my lightest orange, and I'm really making sure those are blended out all together. And now I'll go back in, and if I want to darken any areas or further blend something, I'll do that now. And now I'm going in with some of the blue, and you could see if you don't clean your brush, it's gonna get a little muddy. So definitely make sure to wipe your brush in between each color so then it doesn't get too muddy. And I'm adding in more of my blue and going down. And if you want to, when you're adding your lightest 2 colors, you can also add like a little more white straight onto the canvas to make it an easier blend. But yeah, it's really that simple. The most important thing is to just clean your brush in between each color so it doesn't get muddy.